I'm going to teach you how to start making money online with print on demand business right now. But first, permit me to explain what print on demand is all about. Print on demand is an order fulfillment method where items are printed as soon as an order is made without storing any inventory. So this means that you can sell clothes, hats, and mugs without producing or storing any inventory. So you can sell t-shirts, mugs, hats, and hoodies without producing or storing any inventory. All you need is a supplier of white label products that can help you supply those products to your customers once they place an order. So once your customers place an order, your supplier will ship and supply those products to your customers. Print on demand also means that you can design your own products the way that you want it and sell to your customers. So you can design your own products and put any logo that you want on your products. For example, you can design your own t-shirt and put any logo or designs that you want on your t-shirt. Also, if you are a YouTuber or a blogger, you can also use this print on demand business to produce and sell merch such as t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, and hats to your fans. So as a YouTuber or a blogger, you can use print on demand to sell merch to your fans easily online. So as a YouTuber, you don't need to produce any products or store inventory. All you need is to create your own design and logos for your merch and sell to your fans and followers. So if you're a blogger or YouTuber, use this print on demand to design your own merch and put your own logos on your merch and sell to your fans. So right now, follow this step-by-step guide to start a successful print on demand business. Step 1. Choose fast selling products for your print on demand business. You need to choose a highly profitable products that are in high demand for your print on demand business. For you to be successful in this business, you need to choose a fast selling niche product. Examples of fast selling niche products for your print on demand business are 1. T-shirts, 2. Hoodies, mugs, wireless speakers, and headphones. So these products I just mentioned sell fast on print on demand marketplaces. These products, they sell fast online. So research on this product and start selling for your print on demand business. Step 2. Register with a print on demand platform to start creating and designing your own products. You need to register with a print on demand platform so that you can easily design and produce your own products. Also, most print on demand platforms will also help connect you with suppliers that will help supply and deliver your products to your customer easily. Examples of print on demand platforms that you can use today are Printify, Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, and Shopify. So sign up with these print on demand platforms that I just mentioned right now to start creating your own products. Also, with these platforms, you can also create your own e-commerce store and display your products on your e-commerce store. So use these print on demand platforms that I just mentioned right now to create your own e-commerce store and start selling your products immediately. Print on demand business is also another form of drop shipping. Step 3. Start selling your print on demand products. You can sell your own print on demand products on marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, BigCommerce, and eBay. So once you start creating your print on demand products, you can sell them on these platforms that I just mentioned. So sign up with these retail outlet platforms and list your print on demand products. Also remember to fix your price for your products, then you can now start selling on those platforms. You can also sell your print on demand products as merch if you are a YouTuber or a blogger and also a social media influencer. So if you're a social media influencer, a YouTuber, and a blogger, you can also sell your print on demand products as merch to your fans. Step 4. Promote and market your print on demand products on social media. You need to promote your print on demand products on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Run ad campaigns for your products on social media. These ad campaigns could be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Twitter ads. So run campaign on one of these social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to successfully sell your products. Running ads will help boost the sales of your products exponentially. So make sure that you are very active on social media every day because this will help you get more customers for your products. Also use email marketing strategies to promote and sell your products online. So also try and use email marketing strategies to promote and sell your print on demand products. So follow all these steps that I just provided. It will help guide you to start a successful print on demand business today. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask me on the comment section right now. Also remember to support me by liking and sharing this video. Please share this video immediately so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online. Make sure that you watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies and different tips that you can use to make money easily online. So watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn how to make money easily on the internet. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online business on this channel. I'm going to be releasing more videos every day concerning online businesses. So subscribe to this channel so you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money online. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you on my next video.